Welcome to Horwich. We're here on St Clare Terrace to have a look at number 6, which is this mid-terraced property, which is absolutely gorgeous inside and out. But before we go in, I just want to spin the camera around so you get your bearings. Now, St Clare Terrace is it's Chorley New Road. We've got the physiotherapist up there, the bakery, and then as we spin round, we've got the post office and the Beehive roundabout. So the train station, Bolton Wanderers, Middlebrook are all just a short walk away. For getting on the motorway, it's just, I don't know, 3 or 4 gear changes, I suppose, not far at all. The position is fantastic. All of the village assets and amenities are on your doorstep. It's currently used as a salon. I'll explain more about that when we go inside. So let's go and have a look around. Welcome inside. So we've stepped in through the quality double glazed entrance door and we're in what in essence is the living room. Now, as you can see, and I'm sure you've perhaps seen on the photographs already, it's currently used as a salon. But we've got the UPVC double glazed bay window to the front, which is got fitted blinds and leaded glass. Then as we spin it round, you'll get an idea for just how big the room is. I really like that radiator. I think that would look fabulous in a lounge. Now, I know the elephant in the room, and I'll give you the answer now. Yes, the salon fixtures and fittings will be removed, and any damage sort of to the decorations will be made good, so that at the point when the property is sold, it'll be ready to go and use as a lounge. Very well presented already and very light. Just have one last look from this side and then we'll go through and have a look at the dining room. So we're stepping into the dining room, and again it's a really well presented room, neutrally decorated. We've got the double patio doors just at this end which open out onto the garden. This cat isn't included. Nice big radiator, quality wood laminate flooring. I like the way that the fireplace has been used. Rather than it just being a void, we've got storage space in there and a built-in wine rack. Absolutely fantastic. I'll just show you, well, in fact I won't show you because it's storage space that's in there. But what I will tell you is that in there you've got a nice modern electric trip switch, fuse box, and as you can see now we're stepping through the archway into the quality professionally fitted kitchen. I really like the tiling in here. I think it's superb. There's a nice range of matching drawers, base and wall cabinets. Integrated dishwasher, integrated, let me just show you that one, freezer, integrated fridge, oven grill, microwave, gas hob with the extractor over. But yeah, this is lovely, really nice. We've got the UPVC window at the back just overlooking the garden there. And then as I spin the camera around, you can just see the archway back into the dining room. And I'll just point the camera outside for a minute, but we will go outside and have a proper look. We'll just look at the first floor first. So we've stepped upstairs and we're on the first floor landing, which is really quite spacious. And I just want to spend a moment to just focus on these stairs and on these floorboards. These were sanded down and treated during lockdown to be restored to look absolutely fabulous, just like they do now. They are gorgeous. So yes, we're on the first floor landing, and at the top of the stairs, as I spin the camera around, we're now looking in the bathroom. Now this is a very good sized bathroom, but this is one of the things that I really love about it. Twin sinks, matching sinks, storage space below, lovely big mirror as well, gorgeous ceramics to the wall. And as I just turn round, you'll see here we've got the heated towel rail, bath with shower over and fitted glass shower screen, and the dual flush WC. Beautiful bathroom, really is. Then we'll step back in to the landing, and this is bedroom number 2 that we're going into. So first of all, lovely detailing on the internal doors. That's gorgeous. UPVC window to the right hand side as you step in with fitted blinds. And at the minute, because the lounge, as you've seen, is used as the salon, this is sometimes used as the living room as well as the second bedroom, but it's a double size bedroom. We've got professionally fitted bedroom furniture with wardrobes and bridging cabinets that would fit nicely perhaps either side of the bed. Nice big radiator, again, quality flooring, and I will show you in here just because this is where the boiler is. So it's an ideal standard ideal gas combination central heating boiler, and it's the Logic Plus. So really good boiler. Neutral decorations. I'll just spin the camera around here so you can get a proper feel for it. Do you know, there's a really welcoming and homely feel to this property. It's lovely, really is. A bit of space here on the landing. Could potentially maybe take a perhaps a desk or a bit of work from home space maybe. And then as we step into the master bedroom, one of the things that I really like about this room is the exposed brickwork to the front wall. So all of the plaster's been removed, and it's just a bit of a reflection on the period of the property. Of course, we've got the 2 windows in the front here as well, which is fantastic. So there's plenty of natural light coming in. There with fitted blinds as well. And we've got feature fireplace. It's just got the logs in there at the minute, really, for decorative purposes. I'll just get a bit closer to this wall so you can have a look. It really is nice having that exposed brickwork. As I turn the camera around, I'll try not to show too much of myself in that mirror and put anybody off. But it's a lovely room. Again, we've got quality flooring, and I would think that this is perhaps a Super King size bed, which gives you an idea of just how big this room is. Well, there is 2 windows in here, so maybe there'd be perhaps a bit of potential perhaps to maybe split it and create separate rooms. Perhaps something to think about. Absolutely beautiful room. So we've got 2 double bedrooms and the gorgeous bathroom suite. Let's pop outside and we'll have a look at the rear garden next. So we've stepped outside and we're in the rear garden. And what a wonderful space this is. Perhaps ideal for entertaining, really, because we've got this generous flagged patio area. And easy maintenance is the name of the game here, because we've got the AstroTurf down as well. Now this is a generously sized shed, but although I haven't been in it at this point, I understand that it's used as a man cave. So might be perfect space just for a gentleman, maybe, to have a little bit of peace and quiet. Or alternatively, it might suit any number of other uses, of course. Just looking back up at the property, this is the bin store, which I think is really cool because the AstroTurf carries on up there. And just with that in mind, we've got storage space in here, which is really generous. And again, this has been fully equipped with a flower bed. So as you look out of the kitchen window, you're looking at these gorgeous flowers. There's an electric point out here, there's a tap out here, there's lighting out here. Really stylish, excellent space. You've probably guessed, but I really like this property. I think it's potentially absolutely perfect first home. It'd suit families as well, of course, or maybe even in an addition to a buy-to-let property portfolio, maybe. Absolutely stunning. Hope you like it just as much as I do. Any queries, any questions, please give us a call. It's Cardwell's, Estate Agents Bolton, on 01204 381 281. 381 281.